How are you? Hey, shop's open. I think we're gonna take these fender flares off and see what it looks like. I want you guys to be the judge. We're gonna show them off. I'm showing them on now. We're gonna show them off. You guys tell me whether I should put them back on or leave them off. Let's take them off and we'll be right back. There is what a stock 800EX looks like. Stock everything, 2017. There's what a stock 500 trail looks like, plus 28-inch tires. What? You like that? All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is what a fully modified, fully built 800EX looks like. You got your stage 4 Elka shocks, front and rear, super ATV high clearance control arms, front and rear, 28-inch rockabillys, 10-inch wide. We're sitting at 65 inches wide right now. Yee. Let's do a walk around. Here's what the rear of it looks like. And before we talk about the side-by-side, let's check our spindles out. There's our modified spindles. They come out real nice. Painted them up real good. She's not gonna bend no more. So there we go, guys. I'm kind of digging the look. I'm kind of digging it. Don't forget, subscribe, Redneck Garage. Let me know what you guys think. Should I leave it? Should I put the fender flares back on? Hit the comments down below. Also, I want to say, when we hit 7K subscribers, we'll be doing 3 giveaways. How these giveaways are going to work is, you guys comment on all my videos between now and then. You got to comment on all the videos, because I'm going to take 3 of those videos randomly. I'm just going to randomly pick 3 different videos, and then I'm going to have my comment picker pick 1 comment out of all 3 videos. So there's going to be 3 winners, 1 for each video. So in order to do this, and in order to win, you have to be subscribed, you have to like the videos, and you have to share the videos. I will check. I've checked before. I will check. So if you want to win, we're working with Main Street Cycle. They're going to do my giveaway stuff. They're going to donate the giveaway stuff. So big shout out to Main Street Cycle. And also, if you guys need anything, make sure you hit them up. Tell them Redneck Garage sent you. They'll hook you right up. Check out their website. You can find all parts, accessories, whatever you need on their website. If you can't find it, send them a message on Facebook, give them a call, or even a text. Texting is a pretty nice way of ordering parts, and they'll help you right out. So make sure you guys check them out also. And a huge shout out to them for helping me out with the giveaway and helping me out with all the videos that they do on the channel. They're really awesome to us, guys. So if you can, get on over and support Main Street Cycle, because they support all your favorite content creators. Back at the video, guys. You guys let me know what you think. Leave them on or leave them off. I'm not going to lie. I'm kind of digging it. But I'm also not going to lie. I can see a lot of mud getting slung at me. But we'll see how it goes. In case you guys missed it in one of the other episodes, upcoming videos of this here 500 trail, it will be as wide as mine soon. We have all the parts coming from Main Street Cycle. We're just waiting on them to get here. As soon as they get here, we're going to start working on them. I've been working on the A-arms, getting bushings and stuff in now. So I'm out of a few bushings, so I'm waiting on that shipment so I can finish those bushings. Also, guys, right there, which is a lot bigger than what it looks like on camera, I'm going to put a board for our Patreons. I got to get the board, but we're going to put a board up there for our Patreons and our channel members. So if you're a channel member or a Patreon, your name's going to go on that board. So bear with me on that. I think I got a piece of cardboard that we can use. I think cardboard would be the best way, because then we can just add to it easier and whatnot, tape them together, whatever. This is Redneck Garage, yo. Redneck Garage. So if you want your name on that board, become a channel member or a Patreon. One of the two, whatever you prefer. And we'll maybe figure out how to do something special for you guys. Also, stay tuned for our upcoming Z-Force 950 Sport videos. We are doing true dual exhaust, not single to dual. We're doing true dual exhaust. We're doing a fuel programmer. And I also believe we're doing a clutch kit and maybe a few other things. I'm getting with him this weekend and it's coming home with me. So let me know what you guys would like to see done to a 950 on the Redneck Garage YouTube channel. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace out and God bless.